Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Your name?
My name is Lokesh Kumar.
Okay, Lokesh. Give me your resume. Okay, Lokesh. Introduce yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is DV Lokesh Kumar, and I am from Andhra Pradesh. I currently staying in Hyderabad. I recently completed my B.Tech, and my strengths are I'm self-motivated person and a disciplined person. My short-term goal is to get a good job in a reputed company. My long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I worked in the organization and helpful for the organization. And my hobbies are reading books, watching news, playing cricket. I'm good at Cobol Mainframes technology. That's all about me, ma'am.
Okay. We will start with Cobol.
Okay, ma'am.
Explain the divisions in Cobol and what are the mandatory divisions in Cobol.
There are four types of divisions in the Cobol, ma'am. One is identification division, second one is environment division, third one is data division, fourth one is procedure division. Among these four, two are mandatory divisions. Those are identification division and procedure division. Identification division, we can write program's name, author's name, date of return, date of compile, security, and in environment division, there are two subsections are there. One is configuration section, another one is the input output area section. In configuration section, we can describe the object computer, source computer, and special characteristics. In input output area, we can declare the input output files. In VSAM, it is mandatory. In data division, another three subsections are there. One is file section, second one is working storage section, third one is linkage section. In file section, we can declare the files, and working storage section, there we can declare the variables. Linkage section, we can declare the calls and subroutines. In procedure division, we can write the business logics, user defined paragraphs, user defined sections. That's all about divisions, ma'am.
Okay. What is the difference between 01 and 77 level numbers?
The 01 is a group level number, and it has sub levels like 0 to 49, and 77 is a pure elementary and independent level number, ma'am.
In 77, you cannot calculate
We
sub.
cannot no we cannot define the sub levels, ma'am.
Okay. And what are the 66 and 88 level numbers?
88 is the conditional names, and conditionals we can build the conditional statements. 66 is the renames class. We can regroup the variables, ma'am, by using 66. There is no picture class both of the level numbers, ma'am.
What is the on-size error concept in COBOL?
Answer error concept in COBOL is when the arithmetic operations have truncation is possible. That time we use answer error concept. We overcome that issue, ma'am, by using answer error concept.
Okay. Types of moves.
There are six types of moves, ma'am. One is a simple move, second one is relative move, third one is reference modification, fourth one is group move, fifth one is corresponding move, sixth one is qualifier move, ma'am.
Okay. Can you explain about reference move?
Okay, ma'am. In reference move, the copy the particular character from one variable to another variable based on the length and position. We can move the variables, ma'am, by using reference modification move.
Okay. What is the difference between group move and corresponding move?
Group move, we can by using group move we can access the all subgroups, ma'am. By corresponding move, we can transfer the data with matching variable from one group to another group, ma'am.
Means in group move it will not check.
Not it's irrespective of variables, ma'am. In group move we can move the variables irrespective of variables, ma'am.
Irrespective of matching variables.
Irrespective of matching variables.
Explain the infinite loop concept.
The infinite loop, the perform loop never ends in program, and the control never come to another statement, ma'am. The root causes are there is no proper increment decrement for the variables. There is no proper increment decrement for variables. There is no picture insufficient picture class. So overcome this, we go to the spool area and open the sysout by using a question mark, and in the sysout we can see the uh, again and performing same type of output, so we can immediately cancel the job by using C command, and we can again go back the program and recompile and re-execution.
Okay. What are the conditional names and conditional variables?
Conditional names and conditional variables are both are same, ma'am.
What are the data types in COBOL?
In Cobol, three data types are there, ma'am. One is numeric, second one is alphabetic, third one is alphanumeric. In numeric, the representation will represent by 9, and range is 0 to 9, and length is 18 bytes. We can give the values without quotes in numeric, and alphabetics represent by A, and length is A to Z spaces, and bytes are 35535, and we can give the characters in without with quotes. In alphanumeric, the representation by x, and range is 0 to 9 A to Z spaces, and length is 35535 bytes, and we can give the characters or values with quotes in alphanumeric.
Okay. What is perform and types of performs?
Perform, we can execute the logic by number of times by with conditions or without conditions. We can use perform statement, ma'am. There are five types of perform statements. One is simple inline, simple outline, perform n times, perform until, perform varying, perform through. Perform inline, perform outline, we can execute one time only. Perform m times, we can execute number of times by without conditions. Perform varying, perform until, we can perform number of times with using with conditions. Perform through is by using we by para 1 to para through para 1 to para 2. That's all.